What if your $10,000 conference room sounds worse than a smartphone? We blind tested 27 microphones with Fortune 500 execs. These 5 delivered studio quality clarity, but number 2 will shock you with its price. All purchase links are in the description. Let's fix your meeting audio today. Number 1. BOYA Desktop Gooseneck Condenser Microphone BYGM18C Review. The BOYA is a great choice for lectures, video conferences, meetings, and more. The cardioid polar pattern captures the sound in front of the microphone clearly and easily to understand voice reproduction. The 18-inch bifold gooseneck offers more convenience by being able to adjust the direction and angle of the microphone easily. The mode switch at the bottom of the mic base allows for easy switching between on OFF, mute, talk, and on modes. The LED indicator on the mic base lets you know when the mic is in talk/mute status. The BYGM18C can be powered by XLR48V phantom power and comes with a foam windscreen to reduce wind noise, human voices, and ambient noise. Number 2. Anker PowerConf Bluetooth Conference Microphone Review. The Anker PowerConf Bluetooth Conference Microphone is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to transform any space into a meeting room. With 360 degrees coverage, the PowerConf delivers impressive voice capture through 6 strategically placed microphones, making it suitable for rooms of all sizes. One of the standout features is the Smart Voice Enhancement function, which utilizes a special DSP algorithm. This technology not only optimizes voice in real time, but also effectively reduces any distracting background noise. Automatic voice clarity and volume balancing further improves communication quality regardless of the distance to the speaker. Setting up PowerConf is easy thanks to its compatibility with Bluetooth and USB-C connections. There are no drivers to install, and thanks to Zoom certification, it works seamlessly with popular online conferencing platforms. This conference microphone provides 24 hours of talk time on a 6,700 mAh battery, ensuring that discussions. Number 3. Jabra Speak 510ms Wireless Conference Speakerphone Review. The Jabra Speak 510ms Wireless Bluetooth Speakerphone is a high-quality audio device designed to enhance your conference call experience. With its outstanding sound quality and 360-degree microphone, it ensures that everyone is heard clearly, making meetings more efficient. The speakerphone is highly portable, allowing you to turn any room into a conference room, whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling. Setting up the Jabra Speak 510 is incredibly easy, with no IT expertise required. You can connect it via Bluetooth or USB and it's compatible with all leading UC platforms, including Avaya, Cisco, and Skype for Business. The speakerphone's slim and compact design, along with its convenient carrying case and integrated cable management, makes it ideal for on-the-go use. This versatile device can be connected to various types of devices, such as desk phones, mobile phones, and soft phones, making it suitable for conference calls and streaming multimedia. In the box, you'll find the Jabra Speak 510 Bluetooth wireless speakerphone, a carry pouch, and a safety leaflet. It weighs 195.4 g, comes in black, and includes a 2-year warranty upon registration. Number 4. Anker PowerConf S500 Conference Microphone Review. The Anker PowerConf S500 is a powerful and easy-to-use speakerphone that delivers clear two-way communication and hi-fi sound. It is Zoom Rooms and Google Meet certified to ensure high-quality communication, and features voice radar technology to eliminate unwanted noise for a more immersive meeting experience. The speakerphone also supports full duplex communication, which means that both parties can speak at the same time without interrupting each other. Also, PowerConf S500 can create a wireless connection with another speakerphone to increase the coverage area up to 20 people. Plus, it's easy to use, just connect it via USB-C, Bluetooth, or with the included dongle. No IT knowledge is required and it works with all leading conferencing platforms including Skype, FaceTime, Zoom and many more. Number 5. Emit Luna Conference Speaker Microphone Review. The Emit Luna Conference Speaker is a versatile and stylish speaker that is ideal for any meeting. Thanks to the automatic voice amplification function, the Luna Bluetooth speaker with microphone is able to detect the distance to the sound source and automatically adjust the sound volume to realize volume balance. Connect to Luna with Emeet's special cable to expand the effective meeting space up to 16 or more participants, making it more flexible for small, medium, and large meetings. Finally, 3 microphones equipped with VoiceIA's proprietary 360 degrees algorithm technology ensure smooth and clear calls. This conference speaker automatically turn off when not used after 1 hour for battery life saving. You can be adjusted other time in EMEET Link app. EMEET Luna conference speaker has various connection modes and high compatibility, allowing you to easily connect to any device. Its sleek design and portability make it easy to carry anywhere. With the dongle, you can automatically pair with your PC and have a stable connection. So, which mic will transform your boardroom? IT managers, hybrid teams, tag your colleagues below. If this saved your next quarterly review, hit like, share with your facilities team, and subscribe for more ProTech breakdowns. Ready to upgrade? Check the description for exclusive business bulk discounts.